Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can use two audio outputs at the same time on Windows. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open a browser, then you need to write virtual audio cable and click on this link here that says virtual audio cable. Then you just need to press download and download the exe file and install like a normal setup. I already got it. So once you install it, you just need to write audio repeater. Click on it, then select a wave out and select the device that you want to use. In my case, it will be this one. Then what you need to do here is to right click on icon here and then press on audio repeater. Here you need to select other device that you want to use. And then you need to go to settings, then sound settings. And here make sure line 1 is selected. And after you do so, you just need to start both and then two outputs will work. So that's pretty much it.